Seniors, eat these snacks before bed for clearer vision overnight. Are your eyes blurry when you wake up? Do you feel like your vision gets worse at night, even after a full night's sleep? If so, you're not alone. Millions of seniors experience this. But here's the good news. Certain simple bedtime snacks can actually restore clarity to your vision overnight, naturally, without expensive pills or procedures. Today, I'll reveal 4 powerful snacks you can eat before bed that support your eyes, improve circulation, and help you wake up seeing more clearly. As we age, our eyes become more sensitive to poor circulation, fluid imbalance, and lack of deep restorative sleep. This often leads to morning puffiness, foggy vision, and even anxiety about activities like night driving. But here's the secret. What you eat before bed can make a big difference. Snack number 1, bananas. They're rich in potassium, which balances fluids in your body and around your eyes. This helps reduce puffiness and morning fog. Bananas also contain tryptophan, which converts into serotonin and melatonin, your sleep hormones. That means not only clearer eyes in the morning, but also deeper, more restorative sleep. Snack number 2, walnuts. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which support the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and reduce inflammation. Just a handful before bed helps circulation and reduces strain on the eyes, especially for seniors with dry eyes or blurred night vision. Snack number 3, kiwi. This fruit is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress in the eyes. Studies show eating kiwi before bed can even improve sleep quality, which gives your eyes more time to repair themselves overnight. Snack 4, chamomile tea with a small piece of dark chocolate. A calming cup of chamomile tea paired with a small square of dark chocolate. Chamomile relaxes your nervous system, helping you fall into deep sleep, while dark chocolate provides flavonoids that boost blood flow to the retina. Together, they're a powerful nighttime combo for clear vision. So if you want to wake up with fresher, clearer vision, skip the late-night junk food and try one of these simple snacks before bed. Your eyes and your sleep will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this with a senior loved one who could benefit. Better vision starts with smarter choices, even at bedtime. For more details, subscribe MAFHH Roots YouTube channel and like, share, comment on this video and follow on Facebook, Kausain Ali. Imagine starting your day with clear vision and boundless energy, ready to take on whatever